Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you the one website where we can publish our infographic or image if you want to publish any kind of things. So the website name is flickr.com and I can show you the website authority and the traffic source. So you guys can see, I can show you from oh, oh where I can show, let me check tools, HRF. So you can see the this website having a 94 domain rating. It's a good amount of domain rating, so we can consider if it's highly considerable for us. And I can show you the traffic source. So we can verify the captcha stairs. Okay, top website ranking. So you can see this website having 54.2 million total visitors, and I can we can discuss, we can explore the which country this website getting traffic. So mostly traffic from USA, UK, Germany, and France and Canada. So this website having a mostly traffic from that kind of countries. So if you guys can want to drive audience related to your targeted country, you guys have to create your backlink on that website. Okay, and I can show you the spam score. So you can see the spam score is 17% and the authority is 92. So okay, it is considerable for us because this website having a 92 domain rating. You guys have to make sure of these things. If it is considerable for you, you guys have to consider for the backlink creation process. So now we can move forward how we can create. So the website name is flickr.com and you guys have to create your profile. And once you guys can create your profile, then you guys have to optimize your profile. Privacy, Flickr, clean traffic. Okay. So there you guys have to upload your logo, company logo, and then you guys can optimize your about section. In the about section, you guys have to add your website description and the website URL. And I can show you this is a do follow or no follow backlink. Once you guys can creating a profile backlink, so you can see the profile backlink is 100% no follow backlink, but also it's considerable because of this website having a great traffic source, and also this website can providing a no follow backlink. So if so we can consider a spam score, we can ignore spam score because this website cannot provide give you a link juice. So you guys have to create your backlink for the traffic kind of things. Okay, so how you guys can create, there is an option to, you guys can see top of the left bar section, there is an option to, you guys have to upload your images. Yeah, so there you guys have to choose bottom of the button, choose photo and video to upload. And then once you guys can upload your video and the images, then you guys can see that kind of interface. Okay, so there you guys have to add your title, and the description section you guys have to add your image description. I have already generated, So I can going to add over there. Yeah, we have added. And if you guys can want to add your hyperlink text, there is option to guys have to also do these things, and I can show you how you guys can add. So there is, yeah, where you can add, and you guys have to close the tag, and you can also, oh, there you guys have to close your hyperlink text. Okay, once you guys can do these things, then you guys have to add your tag. It will be tags, it will be going to help you to your image ranking. So there we can add our targeted tag. Okay, and for the group, if you guys can want to add any kind of group, you guys have to also do these things from there. Okay, because I'm ignoring these things because of the internet connection issue, so that's why we can ignore these things. So now I have to, there is an option to, you guys have to click for the upload one photo, top of the left bar section, and there is, you guys have to click for the upload button. And you guys can see the our image is uploaded. Yeah, and I can show you. Once you guys can see, then you guys have to click once, then you can found. Yeah, so this is our image submission backlink landing page URL. This is your landing page URL, and you can see, I guess there is any kind of something trouble. We can add once a description, then we can click for the done button, and we'll see this is your description, where there you guys there there you guys cannot add your website URL. So we can only do the things, we can publish our images on that website. Okay, so this is our landing page URL. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, so I can also provide my social details over the description section. And for the last, I wanted to request you with a one thing. If you guys can want to help me something, or if I'm doing something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you guys. And I was also planning to, I can provide advanced SEO practices. So I'm also planning for these things. So if you guys can want to connect with me, then you guys have to stay with the channel. And for the last, okay guys, so bye bye, take care.